Welcome back. My name is Meg Young. I am a therapist in Florida and in Connecticut, and this is my series on EMDR. So in the last video, I went through phase 3 and phase 4. So now I'm going to go into phase 5, which is our installation phase. Phase 3, 4, 5, and 6. No, well, yeah, mostly 4, 5, and 6 are reprocessing phases. 3 is really not, but because 3 and 4 go into the same session, I just kind of lumped it together. But phase 4, 5, and 6 are really our reprocessing sessions. So phase 5 is installation. So what does that mean? Do you remember in the last video, I asked, what is the negative cognition and what would you rather believe, right? And how strongly you currently believe that positive belief. So this is where we're going to install the positive belief. So once we've gone through the 3-prong, past, present, future, now I'm going to say, okay, how strong does that positive belief feel to you now? So remember saying like, I feel safe driving, or I am safe driving, not I feel, but I am safe driving. Maybe that was felt as like a 3 before, not very strong. So now I'm going to say, how strong do you believe that? And now you might say, it's a 5. Okay, let's go with it. So I want you to notice that statement, hold that statement with the car accident, and we're going to go with it. And we're just going to let whatever happens happen. Because sometimes what happens is this core belief, I'm not safe driving, is connected to something else that we've missed. So then as we're putting the positive with this, we come up with other things that we need to actually go back to the reprocessing and work through. But what we're doing is we're trying to make that a stronger belief. So if that means we have to go back into reprocessing, then we do that in order to make this a stronger belief. Otherwise, as we're doing this, what we're doing is we're basically connecting, I am safe driving. This is a past event. I am is a current, right? So we're going to put the past in the past and the present in the present with the installation of the positive belief. You might get stuck at some point and say, I'm at a 6 and I can't get to a 7. So we're going to try and work through that. We're going to try and see what's going on with that, what's working, what's not working. Why are we stuck at a 6? Sometimes a 6 is as high as you're going to get. It's ecologically valid is what they say. And that basically means we're not going to get higher than that because of X, Y, and Z that are in the way of getting higher than that. So the installation phase is starting to get us into this new way of thinking, starting to build new neural networks in the body, in the brain, that are saying, I am safe driving. So that is phase 5. That is the installation phase. And in the next video, we will go through the last part of the reprocessing, which is the body scan.